I recently made a video comparing the iTerm2 terminal to the standard Apple terminal that comes with every single Mac computer, and why I choose to use the iTerm2 terminal in my Mac. One of my viewers had asked me why I don't use the Ghostty terminal. Well, surprise, I actually do. I have Ghostly on the bottom here and iTerm2 on top. Now, if you're expecting me to tell you that one of these is better than the other one, I'm not. Now, I've never even touched a MacBook laptop until the summer of 2012 when I was an intern at Facebook, where they issued me a MacBook Pro. Prior to that, I was rocking an Ubuntu machine and sometimes CentOS. So I was used to using the Linux terminal and Vim. So it was in 2012 that I started using iTerm2 on my MacBook, or at least the company issue MacBook. And as you might have seen in my other videos, I have customized the heck out of my terminal. By the way, this yellow color here on the GitHub, that means that I have uncommitted change on this branch. So it's color coded. So when the Ghostty terminal emulator came out a few years ago, of course I had to give it a go. And yes, it is very fast. And when I installed Ghostty on my Mac, it automatically picked up the configurations in my .grc file or .zshrc file and applied the theme. Now, both of these terminals support tmux. Now, in iTerm2, you can access the tmux settings by going to iTerm2 over here, Settings, General, and then the tmux tab over here for your configs. However, you do have to use Homebrew on your Mac to install the tmux utilities. And then after that, you can start issuing tmux commands. Not a huge deal, right? The tmux utilities that we install for iTerm via Homebrew will also work for Ghostty. Now, you may have noticed that in Ghostty, I did not use the -cc command, the control mode integration command, like in iTerm2. Ghostty doesn't support that. In Ghostty, you run plain old tmux, like in traditional tmux mode. But that's okay though, because Ghostty is GPU accelerated and it's very fast. And so you won't notice anything different. So given all of that, why do I choose the iTerm2 over Ghostty? Because like I've said before, over the years, I have customized the heck out of my iTerm2 for both my personal MacBook and my work MacBook. And at this point in my career and in my life, the speed difference between these two terminals have not manifested itself significantly for me as of yet. So, and also I just like the look and feel of iTerm2. But that doesn't mean that if something better comes along, I'm gonna, give it an honest go and see if I like it better. Okay, my dear friends, I hope that was useful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing to my channel. It is completely free, and giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye for now.